Seafood City is the biggest Filipino grocery chain in North America, and in late July, the company opened up a shop in Daly City. More than 30% of their population is Filipino, according to recent census data, and the company picked that very spot intentionally to try something out that is very different.
Everybody here, come
Oh my God, you're so awesome, Lawrence Lim.
It's Lawrence Lim with the W. Pam, 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 pam.
Seafood City! Seafood City, ayos na, na-correct na ang mali. Assess nag-check tapos na closure lifted, kita mo? Makus-makus lang yan insan, walang perpekto sa mundo. Kung Mr. Nobody ang pangalan, edi siya lang yun, hindi ikaw bro. Kaya taas no, tuloy lang ayusin, bumangon ayusin ulit. Pag may pagkukulang itama para bukas mas maliwanag yung init.
Kita tayo this weekend. Dala mo yung good vibes mo. Support the spot. Show some love. Tara na, sabay-sabay tayo.
Seafood City!
Okay na, Seafood City.
Ayos na,
Lifted na, lifted na. Bumalik ka sa magana.
Seafood City!
Okay na, Seafood City.
Ayos na, support lang, support lang.
Kita tayo na.
Paborito halo-halo overload. Nakastack na saya sa isang cup. Turon na crispy, matamis ang dulo. Baluot, barbecue, busog ka agad. Marami pang iba sa mesa. Pili ka lang, ikaw ang bida. Kumain, ngumiti, mag-share ng saya. Sa bawat kagat buhay ang pista. Tungkol sa perfect, tungkol to sa pagangat. Kapag may ayos na gulo, mas tumitibay ang lahat.
Kita tayo this weekend. Dala mo yung good vibes mo. Support the spot. Show some love. Tara na, sabay-sabay tayo.
Seafood City!
Okay na, Seafood City.
Ayos na,
Lifted na, lifted na. Bumalik ka sa mata na.
Seafood City! Okay na,
Seafood City.
ayos na. Support lang, support lang.
Kita tayo na.
Hoy, ayusin lang, then move on. Learn the lesson, stand up strong.
Walang tao flawless, lahat dumadaan. Ang mahalaga, tama ang gawa mo ngayon.
Seafood City!
Okay na, Seafood City.
Ayos na,
Lifted na, lifted na. Bumalik ka sa mata na.
Seafood City! Okay na,
Seafood City.
ayos na. Support lang, support lang. Okay na, Seafood City! Okay na, okay na, Seafood City! Okay na, okay na.
Kita tayo na.
I heard a rumor through the grapevine so bold. Lawrence Lim got a million stories untold. From green jokes, conspiracies, and edits with flair. You gotta follow him, baby, if you dare. Your feed feels empty without his magic touch. He got the blues and the laughs that you crave so much. With a click and a follow, you'll find some relief. Lawrence Lim's social media, a digital belief. Click, subscribe, don't miss a trick. Now, hey, leave your worries and come on, click today. Lawrence Lim's got the content right in line. Follow him now.